Kublaya pi paro kibapet yakini ko kupor jongi upet ngo cable news. Kimat pakongsan menta katayo kilong. Hakasin banengkong wan saki Menteri Rang Badu kari hakajim pensmai thau sarkar ha Meghalaya. Kentho uba Arden yakiseng riulum balet drama politik ban penthame yau paiba. Shimti Thomas Sangma kumu lampang kayeng dorbar thawan kejala. Hadian arsengi balap ya ke kle urang ba lap saya ke kti bat kamet ke bala tep harut pung umyam. Yo kurup drugs arspan ru program bat kapisa nyolak duna na lower mauprem. Daka bil endra ke sarkar ban penduk pendam ya ke an khalai. Bat lanang letno kiri urang ba ki balong ki noyalam bat ki krau perkan jong ke jalla. Hadian bau National President ke NPP ulah syajid kum noyalam ke MDA2 hagasngi hat majai ulah bam semai kum Menteri Rang Ba ke jela rengkat lang bat ki khat wengut ki Menteri Sarkar ya ke bala wanru ban saki hagasin ke banengkong da Menteri Rang Badu kari Narendra Modi bat Menteri Korbari Amit Shah bat kiwei.
Haka hinyau terek lebar arhajar arpulai. Kajela Meghalaya kelayo ke sarkar thumai, kabari ke sarkar sendrop lang rengkat kiseng san hima beper kabala lam kemat dak NPP bat ke BJP. Rengkat ke jengkersan ke seng UDP, ke HSPDP, ke PDF bat ke MLA Kemseng. Hagani kesengi ulat kejela upagu Chauhan ulapan semayo Menteri Rang Ba kejela bat iki Menteri Sarkar kebandan hagakan hon Menteri jong ke sarkar MDA2. Kani kejingalang pensemai lawan mensakilang rut Menteri Rang Badu kari Narendra Modi Menteri ke sarkar pereng bakmi ekatanat kam Korbari Amit Shah bad National President juga BJP Jagat Prakash Nada Menteri Rang Ba kejela Assam Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma bat kibai nalor ki sarkar nakadong ba Delhi la sakilang ru dagi kendram kelendan jongan kejela. Hagani kesengi ulat kejela ulapan semayo Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum Menteri Rang Ba yo ba prestun tensong badi uba snyo balang dhar na keseng NPP kum ki sembut Menteri Rang Ba. Ki Menteri Sarkar pat ki bala syapen semai kini kesengi ki kentop yo ba AL Hek na keseng BJP ke Dr. Amprin Lengdo na keseng NPP uba Paul Lengdo na keseng UDP uba Comingwan Embon na keseng NPP Abu Tahir Mandal na keseng NPP uba Kermen Shela na ke UDP Marquis N. Marak nak NPP, Rakam E. Sangma nak NPP, bat uba Shakliar Warjri nak keseng HSPDP.
Do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Minister for the State of Meghalaya, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
Kane kala along kajing snow sarong ya kajela Meghalaya jongi namar kane kade kasin ka benengkong hak ka swearing in ceremony chief prime minister jogara India rekat baru union home minister kin ya attend ya kane ka swearing in jongi te kalong kai ka burom ka kraw na ka state kajela jongi barokawi
Ini pembentak ketika kedua menteri kendor albut kita sebut menteri Rang Ba kai ka daw ba kendor albut.
Bi ka daw kolong bet nakaliang jongi ngi calculate bala kong no na Giant Hills ngi don kam hi bangin yo sa we sembut menteri sembut menteri Rang Ba te ngi laya penbet bala kong no op longin upgrade no ya mas ngobha ko deputy chief minister em ka capability kalong jo menta ngin back to work ngin tray ya ka kam bat ngin pendet ru ya ke digi aspiration ka expectation jongi pai ba jongi jala Meghalaya jongi baroko.
We have laid the foundation in the last 5 years for many sectors, and we will continue to work aggressively on those foundations and build a better state for our people. and we'll continue to focus on the areas which we have been working on in the last 5 years, primarily to ensure that overall infrastructure improvement is there. We are working very hard towards the social sectors improvement like health and education and social welfare. And of course, we are giving a lot of importance to the youth, especially when it comes to employment issues and the livelihood issues. So those are going to be one of the main concerns and areas where this government is going to focus on. And like I had said 5 years back in the same place when I had taken oath, that we have realized that the overall delivery mechanism, overall efficiency at the grassroots level is something that needs to be improved. We improved that in the last 5 years. The same schemes which were implemented in the previous years did much better in the last 5 years because of the accountability, the monitoring that we did. And we'll continue to ensure that the impact at the grassroots level of different programs and schemes is felt to the maximum level.
Why 2 deputy CMs? What is the need of one more deputy CM?
And there has been precedents in the past where there have been 2 deputy CMs, so there's nothing wrong in it. And also it is a strong representation of the different areas and regions of our state. It sends a positive message of inclusiveness, and that is the reason why we've gone ahead with it.
Will you be having zero tolerance towards illegal coal mining?
Yes, of course. We have always maintained that, and we will ensure that steps are taken to ensure that no such activities that are there should take place. So, of course, there are always differences. There are always issues that come up. But what is important is we should work together, and we should find a way to amicably resolve problems and issues that are there. Of course, in coalition partners, there could be people who have different divergent views on certain issues. That's fine. But as I said, as we go forward, we'll ensure that there's better coordination and we work as a strong team.
Ke san po prangut ke MLA ke badang shu job ke election MLA Arhajar Arpolai hakala sking play ke labam smai ko mi ke MLA ke bapura jong ke jalla ban mi khamat shaka yeng darbar thawan ke jalla na kamanta ka snem Arhajar Arpolai hadu Arhajar Arpopra. Yakini ke MLA la pentian smai Dr. Timothy D. Shira ubalong ulampang besipor jong ke yeng darbar thawan. Ke MLA ke bakampau khamat ke balabam semai hakani kesni ki kenthop ya Konrad ke Sangma uba Preston Tensong Dr. Mukul Sangma ba Charles Spingrove ba Met ba Lingdo ba Paul Lingdo kong Amperin Lingdo ba Bantedor Lingdo ba Arden Miller Baselmoj ba Ronnie V Lingdo ba Lakman Rumbui ba Kibay Kat ba ke MLA ke badang shujab ik election hakasien ke Baningkong ke balabam semai ki kenthop ya uba Methodius Dekhar ba Shakler Wajri ba Gabriel Waklang Urupa Marak, Kong Santa Mary Shela, Bak Daman Bait Lamare, Bak Charles Marngar, Bak Bright Stalwell Marbanyang, Bak Havingstone Karpran, Bak Olan Singh Sun, Bak Kiwei. Hadirin bagaseng NPP hapok kejingalam Konrad ke Sangma kalayok bantawi ke sorkar senrop lang dah kejing kerjaan keseng riulum ke jala nakaliang Presiden ke Voice of the People's Party VPP uba Arden Miller basehomot ulaong keseng riulum ke jala kela syule ke drama politik tang banchupen bed bat pentame ya upai ba hendrai kimdan shisha ya kejing temu bantawi ke sorkar banyalam hi dah keseng riulum.
Presiden ke Voice of the People Party VPP uba Arden Miller basayomoj ulaong bagi seng riulum gimdan setia ke jing temu ke basisha bantawi ke sorkar ke banyalam hi di seng riulum hendrai kila syule ke drama politics tang manchupen bed bat pentame ya upai ba. Ulaong hadian bakaladon ke jing dawa ki patba bantawi ke sorkar banyalam dagi seng riulum kumta kila syulum ya ke jingalang tang banchupen dat berukum hagadur jong ke drama. Uba Arden Miller basayomaj ulaong baga VPP kayang scam bet yakanong rim bagan umtre banetre lang bat ke NPP bat kan syong bet yakaliang persya. Nakaliang Presiden ke UDP uba Met ba lengdo ulaong baga jing penbet bentau sorkar banelam di kiseng riulum kala pulam no akapor janmiet habaki brio ke badan hagani ke jingalang kem shimladon shu haga kenhun bat kim don shu ya ke number bentau ke sorkar. Ulaong habak NPP kalapan ke jingkersan na kebenta banyo ke sorkar ke baskem. Kumta ke seng kala syong perkat bat klaya ap ya ki dikot ke ajas PDP banwan pai tang bakim shimlap idak satya. Halor ke jingkeno bak UDP ke dai ke basyat ke jet benrio da ke jing dai ai jingkersan ke NPP. Uba met ba lengdo ulaong bakalong ke babakla ban keno bak UDP kala syat kelai ke jet benrio. Bak nabak UDP kala penyang saupun rungut ki kertong, ki pat bak kala penjob tangkat wengut. Working President ke PDF ubak bantai dor lengdo ulong ba ke PDF kadi keseng ke bakat do banai ajing kershan ke keseng NPP benelam ke sorkar. Bat kani ke jinglet ajing kershan ke dairu hadian begila saki ba ke jing temu bantai ke sorkar benelam ni keseng riuluam kampoi shenuru. Ulong bagi seng kidang shania hak UDP bekan let kam ke jing bun pat bantai ke sorkar hakmat junglat ke jela. Mereka ni kam shimla poi shenuru kam tam haba arwat ki MLA ka HSPDP ke lajano. Halor ke jingkeno ba ke PDF kadai ke belasat kelai ke jat benreu uba bantai dor lengdo ulong bakem don ya ke number bat ki bawan kershan ki seng ruluam ki bakentup ke kongres ba ke TMC ki bamdi setia ki seng ruluam bat ke jingtemu bantai ke sorkar belam na ke sorkar ruluam kalau pulam namar ke seng UDP kelanang ya cekmat hendrai ke PDF kali ai kadu berajing kershan klem dapan syu ya ke syukiru.
Ada kata pada nak yang Chief Minister nak NPP pada kilaya kontak bat don do ke kerpat ya kaba ini don kat barka sokar nak betaka stability jongka sokar ini song perkat halo kata bat ini ya kami hiba ini kami hiba la kuno gitu ki member ki bala mi no naka ini ki bam semla suban poi kumbala ai jingkren da presiden juga tukoi kawa polgo party ba sim ke jingkre banuan pai tenen re hadu menin kam sim dan kono na sain ba ni yo ru ke jingkren kena ba na kaleng jongki ki kim na ban don rakat subat ke grup ke jong
apa je seng dulu mi kelas set dengan ong kono
Mahal kan tahu ni apa ini nong rupal baka kalau mentok waktu dia jitu.
Lemar pakam dot ke jingtmu na do ke sini tong baken wanra ai ka sorka seng dulu kadai tangga drama ka bakisu bani ma upai ba ban penthami upai ba lada ka don ke jingtmu ka bashisha jong gini kiseng nado ka UDP ka HSPD PDF kanam don shu ka jinge ban wanra ai ka sorka lailam ke seng dulu Tendrai hak tu ko sni ke jing khot le si kalong namar ba kadon ke jing sawa ka sur pa ba ka bakwa bani ka sorkar belam dari sengrum le si la shipende prokom hakadur juga drama ka bakat tu ani kenta
Nak yang ni baru ni kena ba kini ka jingwan penyesok nak jingwan aja kersan kan ditangkap polkar drama bat kalau kan lupa kan jing penbat nadu bersedang pidan ni belong lor tetap.
Ngatrai dari kerennya kata tambah syukran si kalong ke babak lapalat ni dah kalian ke parti ni kun halak ke jong ke parti bagi pinti kena bala kuno bagi dia ben job bon gesit hakan ke kenti ke bamanta oi nak ndri di gesit haka last election menta kan kenti ni pois tu khatwe ni dia ben yo khat ar dan dia namar bak soyong kam semu kebangi kmit enti da soyong ru ni laban yo ya gesit
ladakan jindra don ke jing trang banon ra ya ka sokar sing belum kani kedai kala ka kam
Mun lagi ma ben ba ulung.
kendrai kani kedai tang ke jing persyang ban haktin phareng ke ban hotwin lani ban penthami ban penbi yu pai ba bangila persyang ndai kedai tang ka drama ni ki balik yang tu ni sulet bala khot ini da ka jing temu bangen ai ke jing persyang ndai ka pau hi namar ijatang hai tang de ki kinta te kala dei bandon da ki sni la da ka dei bandon da seriousness lani ka jing persyang ka bahok banwan ra te tang hapo ikinta benong ni bangim la shu kalong ke ke ba bat pi ka jing jiet joki ban lech ka sokar ka ni bakal lupa ka je pende la da ki ong bom la la di bini song hakian persya lamar ka demokrasi ka don arya ka don keleng sensya ba ka don keleng persya Dari balik tang hai klip mak dia khadu kila dari lik ni semua style kata hai ka peni ba ka ek baca tu se ka tang drama lingkot mo kila bandon ki director di bana bar ki aktor untuk ki ide kino ki parti
Kung ko jipet joki ya nak jing temu ban thal do kata sorkar banilam di seng rulum. Mun sai bak pengkut ya kede ke jing temu. Mun boleh ka polkar drama kumbi ang ba ardan.
Pi ngi ngidang syania ya ka UDP nama kami bun bakin stick bakin penkloy ya kata ke jing ban late ban claim ya ka number siapa governor house mereka kata ke kampoi sunu institut nadu katu sngi hadian bakin ki arngut ki MLA jong ke HSPDP ki jakno tinggal institut bakin ke kam kalafir de na takadaw wat apreng kita ki ibarok ng yung bato miling ini penbek ini keren tamang isyong yo chairman jong ka presiden jong ka UDP ba met ba ban kran ye gini ki parlok ki bawan bomut ban thau ya ta sorka pentip ye ki ngini le komno mengila IT ko hapo nomor itu ko meeting ru chair daka UDP dei na ta kadau ngi sutu pat bagani ka kam kan position suno ti ban wan ban support ru play ngi wan mengilas ki wan syok UDP menstap ngi wan ngi jan mit ngi khaman su namang ngilas sutu bagani ka kam kadai ka kam tang bangi kwa banyak kwa bor banyak kwa syuki te nakaliang ke parti jungi ngim kwa kumta mri bangi bu aj bor lan ni bangi kwa minister ya ka kam ka bangi la syajid supaya ba kelong bangin trai bat bangin syakri bangin keren sibun ki ke
te kini ke pau bagi pa ki kwa ingi kum ka parti bangin nyalam ya ka government nden dala dap bat yu i ba da ki rizam parti ki bangi don hakasi jantia ba ri bhoi pida total ye ki sit baro bagi yo tang ka khandai ti sit te ha to group ko bangi form ha ka artar laiter step ko bangi kendo ru kalau bangi hapan hi ke ni hab ya don dekat hi bagi national parties imla balang ya kaji sha kiwi ki parti kiwi ki konstitusi ki bangi mena banjop pai ba ki dai ban pej ban bishar ba kada kam ban ai ya ka jingjit ya ki candidate ki bangi ni labo te kuma so ngi fi ke jingya kun jungi ha ka kelas election kalong kam duna ya ka absolutely ka bangi absolutely konstitusi ki biang kun ha ka mat ki bangi don ka jing community bangi job akidi absolutely konstitusi kata ngakren sito Joshua kas ni tabot ndai kabot aka to sito ka kala bat ka poino ki political party
ki babon ki sang balang ki ona baka PDF ru kadi ka we ni ki parti ki ba set kelai ka jat benriu da ka ba penya so alang mata ka NPP
em ka jing set kelang ani tu IP kata ka di ka baklan rei lada don number temut ketika kam kala ayat baik te apakah number kam dan finle amno te hangta ka regional ka ba ngi oman ban sina ka sarkar menu ban kersan ya kata ke TMC ke kongres kita di regional party mo dari regional party henry tang bakin kersan ya ka seng ka ba nyelam dai ka regional party dai na ta ka daw henry kamdan ikum kata nong ban set kelangan itu IP sampai iki kam nang ni syakmat kay bang ngin ra ngin keren apo ka house kita gidai ki badon kam nakabenta ka parti ka jongi bangin wan ban kersan nakabenta ban yo syuki kata ka di bakala
seng UDP bat ngila troah tu bang ini trai lang halor kini ki kendon wala da pina ban priang ki kendon bang ban khang la ye ka NPP bakan muan ka por ngin ai wat ye ka jing kersan ka banaba lele tang kata ka bangila ban le palat kata ni ma ban le te ngam tip ki ting ka ek hat ka song ki bikin jubab pai ba
hai PE baka UDP ka sekala je bang lada ki sit ki bangi ai kat tu ngila pinya le sau pun dur ki sit bagi babon ki khasi jentia bad ribhoi jan barokhat lain tang ko umroi is khasi jan barokhat ki sit ngila pinya le lain no iwei bad atli bang lightly kim simla ban pinya namang don candidate tenai ban ong beset kala kani kalau ka bakala pala ka do kata
ngala de ban keren na du pasni bangi job ban nagaliang ju ka Voice of the People Party ngin namla bane train kat pat ka seng NPP mulai lam ni sarkar in bisan ni bisan marshibo na ki kedom di kanam ki bangin namla ban pre
u MLA ke NPP na North Tura u Thomas A Sangma hagasngi palai ula syajid kumulampang bathma jong ke jala Meghalaya hadian ba amsham ladon kinu ki kertong ki banyak kun persya ya u
Thomas Sangma ula job sop egi election banjit ulam pang chiking dorbar tawan kejela namar kejing bami kinu ki kertong kebanyakan persya ya na kebenta banjit ulam pang pro tem speaker na ulam pang basipor Timothy Dishira ula penmena haki yang dorbar tawan ba Thomas Sangma ula job sop egi election lampang haba amsham ladan unu banyakan persya Hadin kini Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat ulam pang barem kejela uba Charles Pengruap kilalet senran ya Thomas Sangma hak jing ne chimti ya kesuki lampang jong yang dorbar tawan kejela Kiambeli kebele bentah ke dorbar kilai kubleyu Thomas Sangma ubala syajit kumu lampang. Bat kilakit bok je un la ban peniat ya ke dorbar. Bat un long ubreu wan omisha aliang yenu. Thomas Sangma udah lampang bakat wei jong ke Jela Meghalaya. Bat udairu MP barim ke Jela.
A very proud moment for us, and having known you for so many years now, it's a real, at a personal level, it's a matter of great happiness for me to see you on the Speaker's chair. And I'm sure, knowing the kind of person you are and the kind of work that you have done in the past, the fact that you have been in the Parliament as a Rajya Sabha member, and all the experience that you have had, I'm sure that you will do complete justice to the post of the Speaker. And the kind of knowledge that you have gained in the last many years, seeing the proceedings of the House, seeing the proceedings of the Parliament, and also having experienced the proceedings in the past many years of parliaments in other countries. As you were a member of Rajya Sabha, I'm told that you have visited many parliaments across the world. I think all of this experience and all of this knowledge that you have gained will be of great importance and advantage to this House. And I'm sure that you will be able to completely raise the overall functioning and the way things have worked here, and improve the overall functioning of this House. We have discussed many times in the past how we have wanted to bring in reforms and how certain areas of improvements can be done. I'm sure that with this vast experience that you've had, I'm sure that you will be able to bring in a lot of change and a lot of improvement in the overall functioning of the House. I'm told also that you are already planning to have a training session for the newly elected MLAs. This is a very welcome step, as we have a lot of young MLAs with us and a lot of new MLAs with us, and I'm sure that they will be looking forward to going through this training session on how we can ensure that as legislatures and elected members, we can do justice and ensure that we contribute maximum to the overall functioning of this House and obviously to the overall development of their constituencies.
It is also a matter of pride and eminence for this august House, where you will now be presiding over a legislature where Shri A.T. Mondal, Shri Medba Lingdo, and I form a triumvirate of past speakers. This is a feature that distinguishes itself as a record of sorts. Honorable Speaker, I must also add that as collaborative members of the Public Accounts Committee in the recently concluded 10th Legislative Assembly, your contributions in the matters pertaining to the reports of the CAG have benefited immensely in streamlining the workings of the different departments of the government. As Honorable Speaker, much is expected about the manner in which the proceedings of the House are conducted, and therein lies the question on everybody's mind about the role of Speaker and party politics. It is often expected that the Speaker, aside from duties pertaining to the rules and procedure of conduct of business, also has to act as a peacemaker that unites warring factions through his endeavors at creating parliamentary diplomacy.
Today, you won again on an NPP ticket. The only difference being that today you are non-political personality, another form of NPP. Sir, as we enter this house today, when we entered this hall, we didn't have a father figure. In the sense that we didn't have a referee. At this moment, we do have a referee, and I'm privileged to say that that referee. Anyone else can doubt because your name is Thomas. When you say Thomas, go back to the Bible. The one trait of Thomas was he had all the qualities of a leader. But finally they said, doubting Thomas. Everyone doubts. But sir, when you entered the house this morning, I know you didn't have any doubts.
Sitting here in the speaker's chair. So my first priority will be to ensure that I am able to do justice, be fair and in all the dealings of this, in all the proceedings of this house. That will be my priority. And secondly, as most of the members have mentioned today, that we need to shift to the new assembly premises. So that will also be, is going to be one of my priorities to ensure that the assembly building and all the other facilities are completed at the earliest possible.
Point of discussion that there will be an opposition alliance or united opposition, whatever they call.
That is for the parties sitting in the opposition bench to decide. That's what I feel. Otherwise, there may not be an opposition at all. As I said earlier, I'm in consultation with legal experts. That they have not come back to me. As soon as they come out with some proper guidance or some consultations, I can only express my views.
But in the rule, what did it say about the leader?
I think the rule says that it has to be a tenth or 1/10 of the strength of the house, and also if there is an opposition alliance, it should be at least 10 members.
We have also seen that there are many young legislators who have been elected recently.
Yes.
Do you think that you should conduct training for them because they are first time?
Yes. I am already in touch with one organization from Delhi. We are Parliamentary Research Society. We are PRS, which is known as PRS. So I have already discussed with them, and they are willing to come out with a orientation program or particularly to the newly elected members, which will also give them some insights into how the parliamentary proceedings are done, how the members should conduct themselves. So I'm in the process of initiating this kind of program hopefully before the budget session starts. At least a one-day program, or through VC, or physical training also. At least one day. Then later on, maybe after the budget session over, because time is so short now. After the budget session, we will have a proper training program for them, an orientation program for them.
Ka yeng dorbar hakasni palai kalakan mau buramru iki arngut ki MLA barim gejela ki balakla no ki bakentup yuba HDR lengdo ubalong MLA barim ke Soyong baduba AH Scott lengdo ubalong MLA barim ka Jayau constituency. Ki dekat jang yeng dorbar ki lapan pawe ke jing sengusi bat pen pawe ke jing sengulem syaki bahayeng ki beladu no ikni ki arngut ki rangba. Kebedan ke benta ke bakrau hak ban no yau senyang syaki emlang salang bat ke jelahi baro gawai.
Habaka kan huan sinrop lang MDA 2 kala nang buon pa nakajingwan ajing kersan jung kiseng riulum bat ki MLA Clemseng kabalakot ya kajing buon pa saka saupo sangun Hendrai Ukonrat Kongkal Sangma hakala asking ublay ulapan pana baki ban yo menteri sarkar kendai tang nakaseng NPP UDP BJP bat HS PDP kat ba kaseng PDF bat ki MLA Clemseng ken yo ban syong hakashuki menteri
Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka hendriu tarik benai leber arhajar arpulai ula perpenaba ke sarkar senrap lang kabelam na keseng NPP kalayo ekajing kersan na keseng BJP HSPDP UDP PDF ban ki arngot ki MLA Clemseng ulitho baka kenhon MDA 2 kala jiru yu ku chairman banelam ke sarkar senrap lang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bahaka kenhon menteri kabade bandan khat arngot ki dekhot NPP kan yo pratelik syuki kentup yu kumu menteri rangba akajela arngut na keseng UDP iway na ke HSPDP but iway na ke BJP kat ba keseng PDF kan yo menteri AA Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baha kabedai bat kejing baha eksyuki menteri labha sautli na kebenta kinong mikmat na kerilum garo kentup eksyuki menteri rangba bat prateli na kebenta kinong mikmat jeng kerilum kasi jantia ulitho ba keseng NPP kala shimru ya karai baha kabedai ba kajing penyang kertong na kebentak election lampang keladap banterwa ya ki kerteng bat kilapen kamti hau ban ya keren bat ki perlok kebedan lang hak MDA ban yo ekajing menjor ke kerteng u kertong ban ikonik election lampang nakaliang working president ke PDF uba bantai dor lengdo ulong ba keseng keladap ban shimekarai bahkan syuajeng kersa na ke sarkar bat kan omtre ban shimek syuki menteri Mereka lebo pat gi kendon baya kimat na kebenta kebit kebiang jong kejela bat kejat benrio de ban kemi. Ulong ba ke PDF kam syem lakwa asyuki wala ke NPP kala terwa na duk gesngi badap nyo vote. Namar kaladon gejing penbet bentau ke sarkar benalam de kiseng riulum bat keseng PDF hadu ke bakut ru ka ab ban penurlong ke gejing temu. Ndrai ha ba ke gejing temu kam syem lapoi shno kumta ke PDF kala lej ajing kersyano ya keseng NPP ban yalam ya ke sarkar jela.
And the first decision that was taken in the meeting was to call this alliance as the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2, as 2.0, which is the second part of the first MDA alliance. So all unanimously agreed that we should call this the MDA 2, as the partners are the same. And the second resolution we took was that we have decided to also elect the chairman as the chief minister will be the chairman of the MDA 2, and that is Konrad Sangma will be the chairman of that. Also we have also decided that in the cabinet out of the 12 members that are there 8 will go to the National People's Party, 2 will go to the UDP, 1 will go to the HSPDP, and 1 will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths. And out of these 12 cabinet berths, 4 of them, including Chief Minister, will be from the Garo Hills region, and 8 of the cabinet ministers will be from the Khasi Jayantih Hills region. So this were this decision, of course, was not taken in the MDA, but I'm just informing you about the breakup that has been worked out with all the respective partners. Also, we have passed a resolution within the party regarding the candidature for the speaker's post and the election. So the NPP has proposed name and have entrusted me to speak to the rest of the coalition partners to formalize the name. And once I have speak to the coalition partners and get their consent, we will be announcing the name of the
the candidate for the speaker's post.
Iway na ka SSPP but napok ka BJP hendai ya PDF IEA pisong kumno harap kanya
Ngi nakaliang jong ngi la ya penbaik but parti menen at nakaliang jong wa given ngi don lang ngi la rai bangin nom shimir kam minister ringin don lang government would support hababon ki issue ki kendon ki bangila bu nakabenta kapit kabiang jong state ka jongi bat jong ka jat bedri ka jongi katai hendai ka pemantang ngi la dap kan shahi ba nakaliang jong ngi kwa ban shimir ka kabinet bot nomor ngidon sibun ki ke bungi kwa bandra apo ke assembly ya kanika dam go pemerintah
let's say kani kajing bomyo jong pi ya kasuki kala bandai na kajing bomwan kloi ban support ya ka NPP hakapor ka babian
Islam kan
ladangi dai bungi kwa suki nadu ka singi masendap benar-benar ke result ha tu hi kala ladai magila phone yang ni nakaliang NPP nakaliang chief minister hanring ngim kwa nama bali ba kata ka jing penbaik kata ka jing syong bangi kwa ya taka government ka baong gini alam daka regional dai na taka daw ngi up but hadu ka bakot ru ngi up ya katai ban ya penbaik lang para regional den ring suthu ba kampoi sino ngiwan ban support namang suthu naman taka jing don kam ibobon po ka state ki issue ki bobon ki bangi la penbaik at kum ka manifesto ka jongi dai na taka daw ngi rai ba nginom tre ayu ka suki minister ru ngin up swa manta hendai ya ka pemantang ngin tre bat ngin kran kamtam hai bede po assembly na wanta ki babon ki issue ki ba PE ki ba long ki ba man po ka state ki jong
ha ka jing bah kam ye ki menteri bapher ha ka sarkar Meghalaya ukonrat kongkal sangma u balong u menteri rang ba ka jela ulabat hiala de ka tanat cabinet affairs ka tanat platangka ka forest but environment home political planning investment promotion and sustainable development mining but geology, election, personal but administrative reform, program implementation but evaluation, information technology but communication but kiwai pat kitnat kibam shimla pen khamti ha kinu ki menteri sarkar. Ki arngot ki sembut menteri rangba ki bakentup iba preston tensong ulayo ban kami ya katnat home police, PWD roads but building, district council affairs but parliamentary affairs, kadba uba senyau halang dhar ulayo ban kami katanat kampen roisor transport commerce but industries katanat prison but correctional service uba AL ulayo ban kami katanat animal husbandry but veterinary fisheries printing but stationery but secretariat administration Dr. Amprin Lingdo ulayo ban kami katanat kakot kakya katanat law information but public relations katanat karep karyang but uba apoleng do apat ulayo ban kami katanat social welfare katanat jengok kai perthai ka arts and culture but textiles uba coming one ambon ulayo ban kami katanat food civil supplies but consumer affairs water resources home civil defense and home guards but katanat cooperation U80 mandal ulasha ban shed ban kami katanat penmi boarding community and rural development but taxation kadba uba kermenchela ulayo ban kami katanat excise revenue and disaster management legal metrology but home passport Marquis and Marak ulayo ban kami katanat public health engineering housing soil and water conservation kadba urakam sangma ulayo ban kami katanat puliputi ka general administration but border area development kadba uba shakliar warjeri ulayo ban kami katanat sports but youth affairs labor registration but stamp
Yeah, all of that will be looked into. We are trying to ensure that we are trying to balance things out. I think balancing is very important, and at the same time it's also seeing the overall individuals experience, as you said, in the past, and the works and the interest maybe they have. It's not always the easiest thing to do, and it's not always that everything will go according to anybody's personal desires or wish. We'll have to take the team along, and we have to take what is in the best interest of the state. And so therefore, keeping the interest of the state and balancing out the entire work of the government is what is going to be the main criteria. We will see when the time comes. We will discuss this matter. But yes, obviously the representation of the NPP in the cabinet is maybe not as much as one would want it to be, because as you said, the numbers are large. But as I said, we have certain circumstances under which we have to work, and we'll have to sometimes make adjustments. and that's what we have done. But we will definitely explore the option of that also in the future.
Hashua bangin kmi iku kubor sama mengenya Hashua Shipor syakini kicing penbena. Haba phai biang syaki kubor, kalong kejingja ke pasong syirkai, bat kabalapan par yang kreat ikiba buon balang, hakabala yok tam ya kawai ke met yap jongwe urang ba na kapung Umyam, Ribhoi District. Uni urang ba ula syak penyap pathar hakiriu senio, bat nengkong lalap syua tang heka kli, bat hadian kane lalap saya kamet kabalatep harut jong kapung Umyam hi.
Arsengi hadian bagi pat ba lalap eka kli jongwe urang ba, bakalaper harut kapung Umyam. Haka kendai terik uleber arhajar arpulai kipat ba kilalap sekakti kebalaper haka selaum bat kumjuk ru kilalap saya kamet kebalatap baka kendau harut kepung Umyam. Yauni orang ba ulah syak penyap hak ni girunar lawan ban bread haka ni kejaka bat latip ba omeka mertong na kesno mau laingut haka distrik East Khasi Hills bat udah orang ba ulah dan sangut kikun. Garugom syak penyap uni orang ba kalong kaba icerkai hadok kata-kata. Hadin balap ekamet ki pulet ke distrik Ribhoi rengkat ke jing dan lang ki bahayang bahasem bat ki biru na kesnong kilalit bancim tino ya kamet jong ni orang ba. Kat kum ke jing itu uba sandor nong besap usai ke tri kesnong mau laingut ulo ong ba kat kum ke jing itu de ki bahayang jong ni orang ba ubala syak penyap. Lo ong bu belaja na kesnong na do ke arpun ru terik ubanai rempang. Haka ba kesnong hadian makali ojing tip alor kini ke jingja jong ni orang ba Nagaliang kasnong kila persyang manwadiu nre kim syamlalap satya. Ula ongru bau ni orang ba ude ubriau ubam dan kanu kedak seniu kasnong katau. Bat kumta kasnong ru kala let banwadiu bat kala ongru ba ulang ubriu uba kloy bane terilang bat kibor snong. Namar kata nagaliang kasnong kapenrem jor girunar kebeladan keti ha keban penyap ini orang ba. Bat kila dawaru nak ketenat pulet bagi di bensim kia ha keban tawet girunar. Bat ay ka jingpen saja ke beteng kenang ba kum gini ke jingja gen om jashu hadin habun.
Kejutip jini nasional te ke jingja iklan du arf ndu terik sing belai ni belada. Ini nasional tem senja ki bahi ki pentiap tingi wat nasional lewat kumba saus ni awat mar dengan nasional. Nasional te kira ki bahi. Ki bahi ngat. Saya tahu te di ilang babiang, ang ilang gunung ke jing pintu nasional tahu. Ang ilang perang ha. Ang itrei lang. Ang ilon simbab ni trilang nasional kentam diri kod dengan nasional. Ang di ba nuno kam ni pha long inti sila sa mu be kon ni ong. Oh le jingi kong nasional tingi premjur ke nyita ki nalek kam seni guru seni du pemang la benong. Ba jing le tingki kalau sebab palan. Ang leng nasional ni dan ki penrem majority. Paling ni kerparu dalam kadim kui department kepala bakin. Aji relam itu senang ban input lang iki bahar kene kami kile kan di urang ba ci ni kami ni kwa ba nin kwa ban kam kan sukut nak kumni ikwa ba leleng jeng police department kan simkhia kan yaiwan ni bala berman mak kumken kam ba ule kalau ka ai kam ka segment la ban ong mi tahu berman kita ni sungai kerpat long ka bala ya ka sistem part kita kulit pakan yang teng banwat ini briu kini briu ki ba sim ini ni rumah ba apa senang pat pakin agi pun saja ka badai ki kompetisi dengan kelab ilap no
Da kajing tmu banyale banrat ding kong ya kajing de bi an ya udrong ki pulet ANTF hagas ngi palai jong katayo kilayo ban kurup ya udrox uba arspa andreu popra point hinyo gram bat ya kapisa andreu lak pra poinyo hajar sispa san potengka nakisawngut ki badan kti hakaban dedrox bi an hakashnong lom sopo lower mauprem bat hakani kajing khanra ki pulet kilakem no ru ya kini kisawngut bakan thop ru ya kawai kalong kmi.
Ha performance ni ki pulet jongka anti narcotics task force rengkat bat ki pulet jongka thanat lumding jeri kile okami we nang de drugs na jan ka office jongka KHADC bat naga met jong ne nang de drugs layo kurup yo drugs heroin ubala thap apo kisan teli kisendok ubadan 100.0 gram ki pulet kila kurup ru ik arteli mobile phone bat eka kali ke bela pendon kam de union nang de drugs hadin kania ki pulet kila beteng man penlong ya kejing kenra haba kilayo kejing tip ki bapaka halor kejing de drugs ha kasnong lom sopho halowa mauprem hagane kejing kenra ki pulet kilayo kam ki sawngut ki nong de drugs ki bagantop ya arngut ki senrang bat arngut ki kenthai bat ka wei ni ki kenthai kedai ka badang ai bunyi khon i badang red ki pulet kilayo kurup ya drugs heroin ubadan arspa andro pupra point nyo i gram kapisa nreulak prapunyo hajar sispa san potengka nyau teli ke mobile phone, nrep hau teli ke syringe, neki ternia injection, bat kisendok tap drugs ke beteli. Ki pulet hadian bagi lakem ke pengan ikine baro apa ki kendon an, halor kejing dan keti bande be nyau drugs, bat kejing toket iki kadang ya ceprang.
So we have realized the gravity of the problems in the states, and we also came to know that the most of the drug traffickers, after getting bail from the court, they again indulge in drug trafficking. So repeated offenders are there. So we decided to utilize PIT NDPS Act 1985, where there is a provision of preventive detention. So we have submitted 10 number of proposals to the government. These proposals are under considerations. Government has already constituted advisory board. Then after the proposals, once it is approved, then we can straightway detain those repeated offenders and send them to jail even if there is no recovery, because there is a provision of preventive detentions. So you will be surprised that our 99% seizures are of small quantity, not the commercial quantity. As per NDPS, narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances are categorized in 3 categories. That is a small quantity, commercial quantity and in-between quantity. So yesterday night we have conducted very good operation and we have seized 270 gram of heroin and we have recovered nearly 7 lakh rupees cash and also arrested 4 persons. So that will be the commercial quantity. They will be booked under different section because for commercial quantity, section is different. For opium and psychotropic substances, the same provision is there, categorization by the government, notification is there. So accordingly, 99% seizure is of small quantity. The drug traffickers are very smart, they know the legal provision, so that is why even if they receive the drugs in the commercial quantity, they divide it in such a way that seizure becomes small and they can take the advantage of the legal provisions like that. So for consumers also in NDPS Act there is a provision, special provision is there under section 27 NDPS Act. If anybody is consuming drugs, so he is equally liable for punishment. Case can be registered against him under section 27 and the maximum provision is for punishment is 1 year.
Director General Kipulet Kejela Dr. L.R. Bishnoi Uloong bahak ni Kindru Benai Kiblalet katanat pulet kalapan Kenya ke rekod hakabayadai bat kejeng yok kurup yo drugs hakini kisan posnem Kiblalet. Nu hek pulet Uloong bakejeng dio drugs kam shemlalong tang he kejakasor neriwat hakitan nong kendong. Bat katanat pulet kelasem kya bah bantek lakam kejeng kayi beanyo drugs hakajela. Ule tho ba katanat pulet kalapha aru ikjing terwa ki badan chpo teligimat chaka sarkar jela bat kini mentai kidang don hapadeng kejing kemi benya pala thungru ya ka advisory board bat lada kini kejing terwa ki yo ikjing menjur ibreu ke baju mlien ban dia drugs kin syakem bat cha thap apatok walada om yo ban kurup yu drugs nakiru ulong shosho bagade ka kamram jo iwe nong sang snong ka jela ban pendukut yu kenjeri jong kajing dia bat kejing thiet yu drugs.
But there is an exception here. If suppose drug addicts voluntarily agree before the court, that I am ready to undergo the treatment in de-addiction center, then court generally, they consider it and they don't forward the drug addict into the jails. Then they can be shifted to the drug de-addiction center for the further treatment. So now we have realized that our cases are failing in the court because of the procedural lapses by the investigating officer at various stages during the investigation. So we have constituted a supervisory committee under the chairman of the SPCID, along with the additional SP law and order members and the DSP CID members and the inspector of NDPS cells member. This committee, they will call every fortnightly all the IOs with the case diary and meticulously supervise the investigation process so that our cases should not fail in the court and prosecution can be ascertained against the culprits. So in that way, our monitoring will be more smooth and streamlined. We have been facing some problems from the FSL examinations also because as per government notification, once the samples are seized, they have to be forwarded to the FSL for examination within 72 hours. And after the spot seizure, under the supervision of the court, samples should be seized in the presence of magistrate and then it should be sent to FSL within 72 hours. So because our many equipments were not there, fortunately we have received 1.5 crore rupees equipment recently. So hopefully the situation will ease now. But as an alternative, I have taken up the matter with the DGP Mizoram and they agreed to assist us because their FSL laboratory is more streamlined. So we have started sending sample to the IJOL FSL and we have been receiving the results also, so that the culprits should not get the default bail because of delay in the FSL examination, etc. Our Guwahati, we have sent certain sample to Guwahati, but that is taking lot of time for examination report, and because of that, many culprits, they got the bails. And thirdly, the interstate gang has become more active. Out of the total arrest, nearly 25% drug traffickers were arrested who are not native of Meghalaya. They are native of Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, Arunachal, Punjab, Bihar and Bengal. So we are coordinating with the other states because the problem is mammoth. And as per expert, those who are expert in this domain, the seizure throughout India is the tip of the iceberg only. So if it is a so, then you can realize the gravity of the problem in the state of Meghalaya.
Director General ki Pudet ula pentep bala register khandru teli ki mokot duma bala kem hendrup kandai ngut ki beriau ha kapor badan ka election MLA ha kejela. Ulaong ba khat lai teli ki mokot duma ki dei ki belajar haswa banlong ki election bat lai teli ki dei ki belajar hadin ki election. Bat nagi ni ki bela syakem san pun reu ngut ki la syakem haswa banlong ki election kat ba khat lai ngut ki la syakem hadin beladap ke election. Ki Pulet kapor election kali okurup ekapisa balai point not reu keluar tengka kakiat ke Basongdor iwei point kendai san keluar tengka udrox u Basongdor kat ar keluar tengka kaksiar ke Basongdor lai pulak tengka bagi jing ai sungobha ke Basongdor lai pulak tengka. DIG Eastern Range Davis NR Marak uletho bagi Pulet kidang thobet jor ki arngut ki beriau ke bela subajor bagi dei ki badan keti hagaban peniap pathar ya uba omeka merthong ya ke belalap ekamet yap jungu narut kepung umyam. Davis NR Marak uletho bakladan arngut ki parlok jong uba omeka ki beladan rengkat lang batu ndai kini ki arngut haduk menta ki lepet ri. Uletho bo ni orang ba ubala sya peniap ulaja nadok ka arpun ro tarik urempang ndai lawan ujor ki Pulet haga lai tarik uleber. Unu hep Pulet ulong bahaba kliok jing tep ulok ni ke jingja la ujor da ka 0 FIR haga tanat umyam. Bat kumta la ra ano ekani ka mokot duma syaka tanat lum ding jeri. Bat ka jing toket karang ya syakmat ban thwet jor ya ki arngot ki bala phetri.
Kading kabala kelang bha hakapor siteng senya jong kasing tho ding kalabam do iksan tli kedukan hakasnong sakwang ha Southwest Khasi Hills District bat ka jing julor baro kalakon daki paulak tengka.
Kading kabala kelang bha kalabamdo ikisan teli gidukan hagasnong sakwang haga district Southwest Khasi Hills kiba gejendut barok kilakot cheki paulak tengka. Katkum kita long kubor beliau lum letho ba kani kejingja kelaja kami jeng kespau terik haga por kumbakat ash teng ei haga ba kading kalayo ban bam yakini gidukan. Ndrei da kejing kloy ki kali penlip ding ban poi syakane kejaka ki belawan namo kerwat lala ban temno ekading haswa bakan kelang syaki weipat gidukan ki mamarjan. Kini kidukan ke belah syak bam makading kikentup iki arteli kidukan sya bat lai teli kidukan de marbam. Ya kadau jong kejing peluk jong ini kidukan haduk menta 4 lak bantip artat bakani kejaka kadai kejaka yo jong kesnong bat akani kejingja syam ladan kano-kano kejingja ke sengusi.
Nakaliang jong aku murong bak senong halar kini kejing peluk jong kini ki dukan senong hapo senong dongi posakwang. Kena kaliang jong nga menemenmit nakaliang jong kipai ba nong senong kelawan pentip nga akapor kumba khat arsan po RAA leong yang ba sobha pentip sa po fair service kena kaliang jong nga kloi ngai sim habayde bet kene ngai sim ngawat ya ka bayde na ka po jong ka fair service na po mo korwan handai ngam kan mau su ke nambar kat bang dang wat ayo no ya ka nambar jong ka fair service na po Shillong 101 kumta na kaliang jong nga ala puno kri kloi na kaliang fair service na ten Shillong ka ajing tip sa po mo korwat patang si panghi kumba kato kene minit ka fair service na po mo korwat kalawan banyarap ha bide ba kene ki dukan haga bide bet ka jing plu jong kini kidukan pede ngam tip na kano ka daw adu mentang 4 la ban ong ei mana kaliang jong ikum ka sinong ka taw ngidang wat jing tip min wat ka sebut ka beci kena nang taling kidon hadu santli kidukan kiba asyak penjot kena ka ding ha kena ka janmit menmit bat haga bide bet ka jing lut teng nganom la ban ong ei na kaliang jong ah ndai ngai hak jing pet jong hi kala cross hi daki pulak hi entah ndrei ya ki jubab ku bakam ti kena de ki song hin hana ki try bang se jubab
lumut kayo atat fi kedelan wala daw ka lega ding sama
atat fi try la bunde ra dukan sa jadi to di ne non karat
dia pun kan video yang di dirbam
video berkat marbam na terkau
Ha kesin thok ding jong katayo ko we ketrok nrio shaka ke bananu number ASUAUADC lai san lai kala kemding kensan ke por bagala poi hasang Bangla ha ke distrik Riboy. Kajing pluk jong ni ketrok la subah bakadai nak dau jong ke short circuit. Yakni ketrok lanya dau Somsul Islam Tapadar ubana Silchar ha ke jela Asam bad ulami na Guwahati bandit kenong ba Shillong. Ha ke ba ulakit apok ketrok ya ke Amul wata ke urea oil bad sput li ko mpnyang na ke benta benchna surok. Uni-unongnya Shim Letip Satya bagi enjin jaga truk ke bawahnya kala kemding kensan. Henrei kinongnya jaki wei pat kikali kibeli iya kini kejing kemding kili tu yu bat markum tahi uni-unongnya rengkat unong bot jeng u kila mi penstet nak kini truk kebala kemding.
Wat la keseng BJP kala dap ban penyesoy ye kejing tek kular happening uba AL hack bat uba Sanbor Shulai banya shemti mar arsnem shiteng ye kesyuki menteri sarkar henrei uba AL hack ulong kani kejing tek kular kadai kebala le klem kejing tep jong kinoyalam kibah klik du jong keseng BJP kibadon Hadeli.
Ubasan bor sulai ulong bahag senam arjar kat prak ladan kejinge penbetang da keketian. Haka bedai banyabat ya ka syuki menteri sarkar mar arsnem shiteng bat weipat UMLA bla job nak ni kejok keseng. Nrei menta kekenti kinong yalam ki bahag klie jong keseng kila batha bari bensia soino da kejinge takular banishim mar arsnem shiteng ya ka syuki menteri sarkar. Ulong bahadian baladap penyasoy kejinge takular la ai kopi ya ka kot takular syau menteri rang ba agajela u National President ka BJP, u JP Nadda, u National General Secretary u Ritiraj Sinha bacunong yalam ka BJP u bakmi ya ka Meghalaya u coba au. Uba AL hack u baladap ban bam smai ku menteri sarkar, ulong bau Presiden ka BJP Meghalaya ula pensyai bakinong yalam ki bahakli do jong ka BJP kila batha benesoy da ka soskular. Nrei ulay operiang ya kawai jing thot ni kinong yalam ki bahakli jong ka BJP bakim tip ai kata kajing batha bamar arsnem shiteng. Uba AL hack ulong bakum ki MLA ke BJP ken haban buram bed ya kajing batha jong kinong yalam ki bahakli jong ka BJP. Haba pai pat syakaseng HSPDP nakaliang uba syakliar warjri ulong bakladan geje penbed apok kaseng manishem mar arsnem shiteng ya kesyuki menteri sarkar. Bad ula debru benesoy ya kajing ite akular bad uba Methodius dekhar nrei kabakam kongsan ban ya kajing ite akular ulong bakadai hi kajing ite hapedeng jongki MLA bad kajing buram iwei.
Bak sembor pula membatai dia bukan ka jingasan ya ka agreement perang ke jongpi bak di bahai ban simya ta ka suki menteri mar arsnem shiteng nak dah dia.
Katu kada pi hakate kalas ara jar pra kalong ke verbal agreement suyakan raktin. Te hangna ganti naga central leadership na podeli kila abi directive ba nya sign bed ka official agreement. Mut arsem shiteng. Te yakan ada pesan la pha chu minister la pha chu JP Nadda national president la pha chu Dr. Chuba Aubadi in charge jonga Meghalaya state BJP la ko piru sa u Rituraj Sinhaji ubadi general secretary in charge te ngap stick baje kai ka bangila ya sign ka agreement.
Ya orang bakal ka jing sign agreement ka dai nak ka bomi hakanya ka Senam kau beradab bah, kadang kau jumpa Islam ban I menteri.
Ngatrai kalau kata kadai kau jingsia, te kau jumpa sengu supaya ki central leaders bakalong kumta, te pemerintah ganti kila ino daka direktif pengide binasan. Akamat jung presiden jungi ba Arnas Mauri, daka bengi aku piru show national president JP Nadda ji. Nangta show Dr. Chubao bat kiwi no podeli
la membatai kena ka jingasan ya to ka agreement perang ke jongpi bat di bak sanbor ban simti makam menteri mar arsnem shiteng nak dah kesan kena
pi ya to ka jing pensai yang i do presiden umla pha da kai command kat kum gajing tik bujungi pade yang la ayo as gawe ka jing do kai kaman ngam tv kata ka jing la astem sting kai kaman ka a bi tang ka ting jonga tang bata wan swadin tang bata minister hang ni Meghalaya
Kamut kamron ko baki dapo high command kan ong pi ba jebel sultan asnam steng ba
humdar kata ban ong na po high command ngihap Sania be ik bahai kaman ko. Mo.
Temu tubuh rasa nak lakut ko tu papor asnam steng. Kamut pi pen ab ya high command na pen biasa tu agreement.
Hap be ik high jingi sania be ik high command namar ba ik BJP jungi la penyat be na ka national leaders. We follow be national leaders.
Baik sekali. Ini portfolio ko pihak nomor ni bagi menteri kebayar portfolio siapa program pihak.
Abo siap membuat naik portfolio ko ngintip portfolio yung iyo.
Bak sekali hadin bapla semti komunal menteri sarkar karon kono no kajing pun baik dapat kesteng HSPP bapi pen bat asnam siteng bat ibak materials asnam siteng.
Hat kadan kajing keren ya kata nilai pun baik ni apa parti terangin ni abik untuk melap pun baik ni.
Pi semua komunal lomba ni ina kalian ke BJP kada sign ke agreement nak kalian HSPP kan sign ke agreement.
Agreement ni dan ni ladap sign ni ke agreement ru andai ke bekam kongsan nalor ke agreement ke kajing ite peding jungi para amli. Kajingnya buram iwe.
Koi kajing kelingi iba hapor batau ini sarkar kadon kene ka jing penmik jong kene ki kenhon ne wat pisang balang ru bagi om bagi SSP kali man kerjaan kan pipi dak lu sa mun pensai lor kene.
Pek dia kata aku tugas ngi ke ba ngila let sakapo iu banya form ke government. Ni sutu syai ba ban form ke government ni dan kam ki numbers. Abang ngila lek cata kam don numbers jadi nak kadau ngir ni sim ni karaban kesana ke NPP.
Atau sim nam bakani karai ke baka HSPDP ke sim bakan kerjaan ke NPP ke di karai ke babiang tam.
Ada kan nak liang ke jungi te kadai karai ke babiang tam. Markum boong ni don kami ke stable government. Abang ipek numbers ka NPP ke Kambon. Tukum tanya ni sim ni karai bang nyok ka stable government.
Dekat kum ka jing sok ko jong phing ni bagi menteri kila ada penberaya ke ega portfolio ke pihak.
Kami kata ibu akan jing start ke jungu orang belsi am ke jungi ngatrai mu kam te bahai ke nova portfolio wan alot ingi te kata ngin sedang don ke meeting bangin setiap adin kata
coalition with the BJP and HTTP has it written to you both on the cabinet sharing of the two MLAs?
So they have not, BJP has written to me and HSPDP also when they first met me, that was the condition and the discussion that took place.
What about UDP, sir?
That is, of course, the internal matter. They have not mentioned to me anything about that. But when it came to HSPDP and the BJP, this discussion took place in front of me.
Menteri Rangba kejala Konrad ke sangma hagas ngi palai jong katayo ulalom ya kejingalang ke banengkong jong ka kunhun menteri bat kene kejingalang kala syem ya karai ban wanra da ka bil ban penduk pendamno ya ka ain khalai ne ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arpawai.
Menteri Rangba kejala Konrad kongkal sangma habai keren bagi nong patai kubor hadin balawai kajingalang ke benengkong jong ka kunhun menteri. Ulang bak sarkar jela kelasya mekarai bahkan rak da bil hagi yang dorbar tawan ke jela ban penduk no ya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arpawai. Ulang bahakas nem kabalalet ke sarkar jela keladak ban menjur ke ordinance ban penduk no ya ka Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act arhajar arpawai. Nrai mentah habag dorbar kelas dang kumta kelasya mekarai ban rak da bil ban penduk no ya kenekaan. Ulito ru bagi sarkar jela kelasya mekarai ban lor sembut menteri Rangba ke jela ubak Presiden Tensong ubalong unong akitin ke sarkar. Antung ru yai Dr. Amprin Lengdo ubak Polengdo bat Marquis and Marak kum kinong akitin jong sarkar MDA 2. Hagabedai bagajing baha akam bagi menteri sarkar menteri Rangba ulong bagatup kerteng jogi menteri bat kakam kepala baha eki kan mi agajan miet jong kasipalai. Konrad kongkal sangma ulong bodang penkre ekatup pura ban baha akam bagi menteri bat ensapha syaulat kejela na kebenta ban yo ekajing menjur. Uli thuru bagadorbar mang tengka kan sedang hak arpo terik menta ubenai leber hakaba ansai ekajing menjur ka mang tengka bapura jong kejela.
And in the cabinet meeting, we have taken up two important agendas. The first is to bring in the Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023 If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed. So these were the two decisions that were taken today in the cabinet. The other things that were discussed was that we will be officially putting up 3 spokespersons of the cabinet, apart from myself and Ba Preston Tinsong, who is our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We have decided that Kong Amprin Lingdo, Mr. Marcus Marak, and Ba Paul Lingdo, these 3 cabinet ministers will be the official spokesperson of the cabinet. So the budget session is going to commence on the 20th of this month, and or rather I should say it will be continuing because it has just been adjourned till the 20th, 20, and the full budget will be passed during this session, and we are waiting for the BAC to meet to finalize the exact dates.
Kaseng Hinyo Trap Youth Council HYC hakala sking blay jong katayo kaladawan na kaseng san pertay ke badan hapok kesorka senrap lang ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 bakidai ban penurlong ya baru kimat election kumbaki lokular hakipor balong election bat haki kot kular ki jong kihi. Upresiden ke HYC ubak Robert Jun Kharjarin ulong baka jingtang ye kiting shop jong ki arngut ki MLA ki bala job na kaseng Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP kadai namar baki ba kilabitar ye ke jinglet kersan jong ki ya ke sorkar kabayalam da National People's Party NPP. Ulong bakaseng kampersya ya kanu kaseng san perthai bantau sorkar hendrai menteri rangba undai na po rilum khasi jantia namar lapalat ship house namtam ka Meghalaya kampat yok menteri rangba na po rilum khasi jantia. Ubak Robert Jun ulong babarok kiseng san hima ke badan lang hapok ke sorkar MDA2 naduk ke NPP ke UDP HSPDP PDF bat BJP kidai ban penurlong lut ya barok kimat bakila kular hakimat rekam jongki bat lada kimla ban penurlong keseng HYC kan penlong da ke jingyaki. Ubak Robert ulong bak ke UDP bat ke NPP ke lakular lengba kamat rekam ban penurlong ya ke jingdawa pentrekam ya ke Inline Permit ILP ha Meghalaya bat nakaliang ke UDP ke lakular ru ban bisar biang ya ke Memorandum of Understanding MOU hendrai nakaliang ke NPP pat ke la Krenshai bakam tre ban penkelai ya ke MOU. Ubak Robert ulong halur ke bahak tungkam ni ke State Reservation Policy ke NPP kam kuak banyak keren ya kan kamat hendrai ke UDP hapok kamat rekam kala kular ban bisar biang ya ke Reservation Policy bat ban penduk no ke interview na ke benta ki kambarin hendrai ke jingkali ke bami menta kalong hatu ke UDP kan la ni ban pen ko ngu ya ke sorkar bayalam dek NPP ban bisar biang ya ke State Reservation Policy. Ulaong ke HYC kan let ya kendu ya ke sorkar jela ban pen kenmawi ke jingkular baki la klei leng ba ki mat rekam bat lada ke sorkar MDA kam la ban bat ya laki kular ke seng HYC kan penlong de ki jiyaki habarok kowe ke jela.
Manu balale ke ba penlong bangi kum ke jalan tang hidup e mustaqsi atau badi balale da armut timli badi namo motharisan ba namo sundut kamde kata legenda kitu kine bet ki independent kine bet ayo hari namat ba kitu ki petno ti ki wiru ki petno kadu no kan numbers badi ke jingle jung kini ki angut ke ba penlong ya ka jam ro jung i bangin du yo mustaq kamde bangi ong bangi bangi persya than kum ta ta kino ngalam jo ki swa silibun na po than was hasil te kum nungin persya ya than jo da kim pet maki lesi
kasni ke balasai la swer in do kun na terjong kata ka ding jing siapa haka history nganut bat ong ya kane bah haka history si jing im entho bo ba sakler wazri ba methodus kha kidei ki breu kidei ki khasi ki ba job na ki parti rulum rai ki bom sama tre ban penlong semester kasi kata kan ne si jing im haka history ka jingalang kapla penlong ha mot ran hang tu sni ka don ar teli ki daw bat ka daw ban kong kalong ba hadin mangila yoi ya ki parti rithor ki bala sensar ya ka jala ka jongi labun bun snem yoi ba sibun ki mat ki jura ki ba kia kum ka jai pendru kim samlala ban penurlok ki mat jingdawa kum ka ILP ka jing pendrung ya ketin kasih schedule lani watang ikam yu baritru kum ka jingbe lagi karmetor nanti nopo thamyo molong ngim sum leu i baki long ki basiso nat kadau ngingi simba lesi kala idon kam ye kini kiseng rulung bakin yalam ya sarkar kamdi e ba ong ba kini thau sarkar paramaki no bli kumba pitip mata kimdon ya kanong barpan thau sarkar paramaki hari ki sidon kap tang ban yalam bat nai kini kiseng rulung kumba POE kelong ni haban keren bada kamasai bangi kuat ba nalor ba yalam ki seng rulung ya ta sarkar ni kuat ba umutri rang ba jong hata kan hun wa bende u kun nyo trep nyo su ye kini ki wei pat balik ke lesno ya tang ngem la andre haji i jong i kelong ba ke la dan lupa ki jing ya kelas haki manifesto ke la dan lupa ki jing ya kelas haki manifesto la jinda andre kumno ki la ban pen be ya tang ngem tip andre na kalian jong hasen ngi kwa ban kan sai na kalian jong hasen ngi kwa ban kan sai ba wat la pi la rung bat ka penhun kebala dan lupa ka kelas haki manifesto kubang ai nuksa ka resolution policy ka MOU bat kuwi kala dan lupa ka kelas mo ka ba ka wei ka ong dak mboi kala dan lupa ka kelas jong ki manifesto padang kami jong ka buat jong padang ka BJP bat ka NPP ro kala dan ka kelas tingi na kalian hasen ngintip pila man penbet kumnu yaitu ki manifesto andrei pila penmi ya ki manifesto upai ba ula jit ipi da ko pension norim dia tu ki manifesto but lada pim penurlong itu manifesto na kalian jong sen ya long jing ki da masai pim review ya ke MOU jong ka bodo na penong jing ki pila kula ka review pim review ka resolution policy ni penong jing ki pila kula pim set up ya ka tu inquiry committee ka ban headed the judge jong Supreme Court ya ki scam borok ni penong jing ki pim ai san lakmut ka kam se samla ni penong jing ki kam disu ka por ba pin bit man ka san snem ka por ka ba phi kula si sin san snem bat ni barok san snem ni thong ni phi ba pin urlong ni ta ji kula badu rustun ka tu ka por ka ya ka ba phi ngin pen bit man san snem ki ngom man ka san snem ngani thu phi da ko sai kal kot kani di ka por ka ba phi la kular min pen tikana ba pin urlong ni tu ki kula phi la kular ban set up ya ka battalion jong ki kan thei la ka jong ka phanong le battalion ni ha pen tikena pi urlong pila kular ban nom pen liplai kan don ka jing don electric 24/7 ni ha ban budin ni ta sapit man manifesto jong ka don pila kular ban ai surok ya barok isnong ki bob don surok ni ha ban budin ni ta ki ba pila kular sipun gi jing kular ki manifesto jong ki da pim sola ban ora ka ki mom yin sapan sna mengi ngin kembali ki manifesto jong ki kan yo manifesto jong ki di public document nat kadau kumba ong ni kwa ba kan sa kapor ba ong ya pedbit man kasan snem ngop man kasan snem kalkut kani di kapor ke ba pikular suwa ban sedang kasan snem bat pihak ban penurlong hapo san snem
Kaseng Hinyau Trap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO hakala asni ublay jong katayo kalalet ban IT da ka Dorcas House Superintendent of Police jong Kariboy District bandawa banbu ik traffic police hakathan sning bypass da ka jingtmu ban telakam yik jingja accident ki bakha hakani ka surok ba
Da kejing sokya kebajur, halor kejing ja aksiden kebeja kaka kebejuan ra ya kejing du ya kejing embrio hak thagam sning. Hak hendro trip ulber hajar arpulai ke kenhon jang kahnyo trap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO. Dalit banbo da kedor khasa superintendent ki pulit ke distrik Ribhoi bon pha banbo no da ki pulit traffic. Hak junction ke badan hak surok sning bypass. Nagaliang keseng hito dalam khmat uba bi umba General Secretary lembat kidkhot ki belalit ban IT ke Shithi sha superintendent ki pulit ke distrik Ribhoi kumjo ru bakil ai copy show officer in charge kathanat sning ban kerpat ni gibor pulit ban penklan ke jingdon jagi pulit traffic ha ki jakaya nasiliang shashiliang ha ke surok sning bypass kamtam kum halat patarim lat umpi lat tro bat kiwe-kiwe ha bakrani ki nong tho khubor uba bi umba ulapan pau ba kaseng kelas saki ya kejing dan kam ban bu ya ki pulit traffic hak sning bypass kenang ban la ban tela kam kejing ja aksiden ki besar kai ki baju jana kapor syakapor ulong ba kaseng kadap da kejing sokya ban saki kejing ja aksiden ki besar kai ki baju jaman kapor hak ba bon kejing embrio la shido ai na kadau jang kejing ja aksiden bat kumta ki long badan kam ban bu da ki pulit traffic namar ka deru kathan ha kebadan Shibun ki skul kebadan Harut Kusurok kabala ban bu jeng mapat yaki kena skul
hadim ba nilai lagi jong ki khmat halor kajing cross kali jong ki kena skul ha surok NH40 ban khamtam ha surok forlim hapo sning patrim umjuru hapo sning lumumpi te kane kan bu jingma kabakrau khamtam yaki kena skul ki bedang rit Jakarta bat nilai nguru bah kidon di kena skul di balamat hak jenja aksiden kane kan pensir kepenting ya ki weipat di kena skul ki ba habyat leti lembah nagate kesurok te menta kasni nilayo belibu ya ki dorkas hapo sning police outpost kumjuru hapo deputy commissioner bat ha USP jong Ribhoi na benta ba minpan ya police traffic ban pek ban kmi hang te hapo sning forlim na benta ban pek ya kabha kamiat bat hagaji cross kali jong kita ki kena skul ni na kaliang ka hito ni kepat ya ka police department ba kin simkia halor kane namar ba kane kan long kajima ka bakrau na benda kita kena skul ki bahab baniat lebah na kate kusro
hadin kejing job suk yaki elections lim hakasi palai jong katayau upa aina manix ula shimti kumus bapura jong kahima melim hakaji alang kabalalong hak office jong kahima melim kabadan hamaukar Hakane kasi Chief Executive Member CEM ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC uba Tito Starwell Khan ulapan khamti ya kasanat haupa aina manix kumus bapura jong kahima melim hakabalawan ban sakilang daki Executive Member ke KHADC kibakan thup yo ba jamborwar ka kong Magdalene Saukumi Maulong bat uba rangkan sai karbuki Nalor kini layadon langru kiba krau kiba tri jong ke hima melim bat kiwe. Kum banchipen kan mau katanat ilaka jong ke district council galapen long ye ke election banjit yau hima melim hak arpo tarik urampang bat nakisau pawe ngut kinong tap vote kiladon shipau ngut kibala pep hak banwan shimbenta hak election kat balai pawe ngut kilajit yau aina manix kumus ke hima melim. Nalor kani saungut ki belaya kun ni kini election ki bakan thup yo ba samran sings uba penshai langs uba bantai langs bat uba mansan manix kim shimla yo wat tang shi vote ru hak elections
nga waina manix nga pediang mat menjur ya kini ka kam jong ka hima melim kumbala pen khamti ka kum kitei kendon balabo menta kasni ka ba khandai tre jong bunai lebe aku warulai Tharai hakisni kipuar di bandangwan ke soyo yo yang menang kena tam te kani kesni kanong rusni sa jikan ma pateng lap pateng ngin yatre rengkat bapi habadan kanu ka khia kasan ngimdei banyathau Imede banyawa, imede banyak peni, lenti. Ya kai lenti ke bawah hatam, baru penginya tray rengkat ke district council. Menem ya ilai, men habadan gunu jingge ngin hape dan lang denta. Iwe. Di nakaliang jongan, nganom simnya kapua, ngai kublai kapang yang piparo, setelah dan lang menika. Nok hai sini, ai kublai try kenrat, nongbu nong thau, ai pi kemet kapat kapasai paklai. Kublai nong takui piparo, kublai sibur, kublai sijaru.
Hashwa bunginya kami ikut kubah badang sa inya Hashwa sipor second dikicing penbena.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
You're late.
Don't just live life, maxify it.
Hashwa penginya kami ikut kubor in penken mau biang yapi yakimat bakongsan jong ke kubor mentak tayo. Hakasin banengkong wan saki Menteri Rang Badu kari hakajing pensmai thau sarkar ha Meghalaya. Kentho uba Arden yakiseng riulum balet drama politik ban penthame yau paiba. Shimti Thomas Sangma kum ulampang ke yang darbar thawan ke jala. Hadian arsngi balap ya ke kle urangba, lap saya ke kti bat kamet ke bala tep harut pung umyam. Yo kurup drugs aspa andre po program bat kapisa nyolak duna na lower mauprem. Daka bil ndra ke sarkar ban penduk pendam ya ke an khalai. Bat lanang letno kiri urangba ki balong ki nunyalam bat ki krau perkan jong ke jala. Haka pratarik menta ubnai leber arhajar arpaulai rengkat barok kawai kari India kireu ngat Hindu kila rakhi ya kasngi ke bakarpang jongki ke bala jutep kum ke holi kasngi jong ke jinglek kemen daki rong babunjan ban rakhi ya ke jingjap jong ke babhai ke jingsniu jong ubamman tunginya kemi ya ke ne ke jingrakhe haka ne ke nongba shillong. Rengkat bat kari barok kawai hanong ba shulong ru la rakhi ya ka holi da kireu ngai Hindu jong ki jai benri bapher kabalong kum shibenta ban ai khublei no ek ayom telang bat ban pediang pat ya ka ayom perem bat ke jing rakhi ban ai ngu ek jing e jong ublai Radha bat Krishna. Hakan nekasi kireu ngai Hindu kila lek kemen da ke jing kenduk lang hapadeng shing sisam ki paralok parajor bat penslek rong abir da ki rong ki babun jat markelyang da ka bayang ma bat kelet no ye ki jing bakla markelyang bat ban pen bhapat ke jing dai hapadeng jongki bat ban pen kut no ru ya ki jing ya kan at. Hadian bagi nangilak kai football ke jala ke lamat ke jingrem haka final jong ka Hero Santosh Trophy ha Saudi Arabia hendrai kum shibenta ban aimen sim ya kan kan hon ke balapoi shadow ka final nakaliang ka tanat sports and youth affairs ke jala haka sitok dieng kalapan ku buram yakini ke nangilak kai ke balawan ratnam bat buram ya ke jala daka bawan baar haka tai ka lempung ya lek kai football. Satu gol. Baik, perlahan Hashwa ban penkup buram yakini kinong ilakai football ke Jela Meghalaya, lapen syong yakini kinong ilakai football hakatrok hakabala penyat hakaleng kinong bak Shillong. Kini ketrok kalami namadan he maulai Port Muri, bat nang ne kalalet sejayau maukar Motpran Police Bazaar Malki Point, bat lapen kut pat Hamadan Yerung Hep lai umkra. Yakini kerang ilakai football ke Jela, lapen kup buram da Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs Obak Shakler Wajri, kumukong san ringkat ke jendon lang ke he officer ke Jela bat kiwe-kiwe. Kumban Shupin Kenmau ke kenhun ilakai football jong ke Meghalaya kalawan Baar ha ke 76th National Football Championship Hero Santosh Trophy Arajar Arpoar Arpolai kabalalong ha Saudi Arabia. Ha ke jinya kun ya ke final ke Karnataka kalapan lim ya ke Meghalaya da lai gol la
Menih kabangai keren baru director juga sports and youth affairs ngala kliniki ngongkei ketaka jinga subhan kalian kejugi kum government nda kam takini ki players ki bla trishitam kila batayanga katu kanitri ande ke ika pangakam sungut tunat susu ya kabah kabang idang keren ya kabang ilaya perkhan bandang ni sakman और minta kasing yo bangin agi di cash prize kumne hari ya kabang ya perkhat bakumno min kintil na kam taki khun samla ki juni ki badan ya kasap kapong na kabanta kanu ka sports kalaban di football laban di kanu ka jingla kai ka bakistunan ya ka bakumno ngin kintil ya ki ngadap da ka jingkeman na ka ba akan jing keren ke jungi bagi ladon ni kata jing perkhat bandang ni sakman ni sedang ai ki scholarship ki incentive ki boper na kam taki khun samla ki bedon ni ke interest ka sports banalor kata ye ka bagi la perkhat ladang ni kwa bangin gentil ki khun samla ka ko sports kalau kamu kongsan ni dan kami ke infrastruktur di bapher. Ngarang su join office dan menin. Hari ya kabang ya perkhat ngalak tili ki. Ngalong kanu tili kita ki stadium. Ki bangi lapen bit penbiang. Nagam ta begini ki khun samla. Kila begini let ben lakai ben betebet gila dia. Ngayeng hang ni kabangan ong ni pi khamtam gini ki football team ki lawan pai lawan rai ke buram ke bakraw na kam ta Jela ke juni ngatip agan ke jingya linti ke jompi ya ka pila poi hadu ke final bapat ke Meghalaya football team ke juni wat datang ke semi final ru ke pajupoi hari mapi baro pila poi hadu ke final bangatip agan ke jingya linti ke jompi kam de ke jingya linti ke besuk nimat bon ki jingya iman bon ki jinge lagadi ka no ko benta ka jingim ko jungi iman bon bahagi jinge ande ke ike pangakwa panganong bahabang idon nya kamon idon nya kamensim hapering kita ki jinge ki jing tinju ki bapher ngim dei pat bangin du mensim ngim dei bangin klet ya kathong ko mangi ngilabo
Ki shalantem jong kapor ke lanang tulun karta jong kinu yalam barim ke Jela ke lanang yan bat poi ru kisngi ha ka bang lanang du no iki reutemen ki bala ya lenti ha ka jing im jong ki nadu badang sinshar ki doli Dang hakini katayo ke jala Megalia ke ladu no saya uwe urang ba ubalang ukraw perkan ubah hakajing syakri jong u kom usyakri sorkar hakaleng gibenta jong kari India bat kamtam hakijala jong kani kathan chete lamingi ya ka kerteng jong u la perto de kibapon hadin ke jing yo kubor ba une urang ba ulaklat no nakani ka perthai uni urang ba udai uba AH Scott Lingdo belaklat no hakajan mit jong ka hinyau tarik menta ulber arhajar arpolai tunginya kemit sipor ya ke jing ya lenti jong u haki kandai polai snem jong ke jing im jong u
Riches I need not, romance empty praise. Thou mine inheritance, now and always. Thou and thou be first in my heart, first in my heart. High King of heaven, my treasure everything all around us. Look at the world and marvel every day. Look at the world, so many joys and wonders, so many miracles along our way. Praise to Thee, O Lord, for all creation. Give us thankful hearts that we may sing. All gifts we share and every blessing. All things are mine.
Kiwiru baja Cầu ấy tu kinh mau cha nô ba pia
Jing inya barokata Ngin ya shambyang hakata kari umat kendengar ngin ya don ringkat minta nilasyai nikapodang jnai ngin ya shambyang.
A few often quoted lines from my poem, Death Has a Name, attributed to family and friends. Dear Bascott, you will be missed, but to be missed is to be alive. We have to draw strength to remain from your passing, only to pass on what remains of us. Death is not an enemy, nor life a friend. I first came across Bascott when he stood for MLA from Jayal. That was 1988 when I was SP Shillong. And if I'm not mistaken, he was elected that year. And later on, he became my Home Minister when I was IG and ADG. And what is precious in Bascott is that he commands loyalty. He commands loyalty. The way he gets through to you, the way he speaks to you, immediately he commands loyalty, and there's something in him that he gets that loyalty back. And you never felt that you were talking to a home minister, you felt that you were talking to a friend. And after he retired, we were very good friends. I've traveled with him to China, to Korea, with the choir, the Shillong Chamber Choir, and we became very close friends. And I've lost not only an elder brother, a fatherly figure, but a person whom I could unburden and share things with him.
God bayat berteri
Te paralog da kitu ku kubor ngi la pois ka bakut jong thup kubor mun ta ka tayo ngin sa syam yang bat pi la syam tayo kublai shi